In this video, we will go over the remove assigned user workflow action. So this action allows you to remove an assigned user from a contact within your workflows. So in this scenario, I have a form that is being submitted. I'm assigning it to a user, sending a SMS and an email over to the client, updating their opportunity, and now I want to remove the assigned user. So I'm going to do that by clicking on the plus icon here. And then you type in remove, you'll see remove assigned user. We're going to go ahead and click on that. And then you can change your action name by updating it to a specific team member. If you have multiple team members going through this scenario, you can keep it the same. So you can update this according to your preferences. And then once you have that, how you'd like it, click on Save Action. You'll see that appear in your workflow. And then make sure you're clicking on the blue Save button up here in the top right corner to save your workflow as well.